remember it being that hard getting out of my car, but I made it. I'm here getting maternity outfits at Goodwill because none of my clothes fit anymore. Come on with me. Okay, so normally I'm a medium, but because things are changing, I've now bumped up to a large and extra large, and there's a whole rack here for me. Lots of comfortable dresses. Ooh, a caftan, perfect. Okay, so we're about to hit 30 degrees in the city, and I was looking for some cutoff jeans that I can wear with a belly band. So this is perfect. I put it right over my stomach, super comfortable. Daisy Dukes, come here. Like if you're going for a Game of Thrones baby themed room, $15 is a steal, and it's quite huge, cover a whole wall. I'll think about it. How sick would this be for ventilation? Like pure flow. I think I'm gonna get it. I think I got a good haul now. I'm gonna add it to the pile. Let's go to the change rooms and try these babies on. Oh, yeah. Okay, I know I'd look a little unstable if I wore this out in public, but like, the breathability is second to none. Hi there.
5 minutes later.